Today we shall see remaining attributes of a page directory tag. Uh, in the previous session, we learned about the standard syntax of a page directory tag that starts with the left angle bracket @page and followed by the attributes. You can use these attributes in the similar way that you can add the language attributes, is error page, then error page, then buffer. You can add the language. Apart from that, you can add the content type, sessions, imports, extends, and we also saw these are the attributes that how can equal to C. And we have seen examples by using language attributes. Uh, in the last session, we have seen about the one example that is by using language attributes. I think also we have gone through the content type, right? After content type, we have started working with the next using info tag. So let's work with the now page directory tag, which is I'm not able to focus.